Shimbol has expanded its product line with the introduction of two advanced on-camera monitors, the M7 and the M7 Pro. These monitors are notable for their 7-inch Full HD IPS touchscreens, boasting robust aluminum construction. The M7 Pro model elevates the standard set by the M7 with additional capabilities, including internal video recording. So, Philip, what are your thoughts on this?
So I'm glad to see more and more vendors getting into the small monitor market, the 5 and 7-inch. The capabilities of the monitor matches a lot of what's out there, which is great with all the various tools integrated in. From what I read, the construction is pretty interesting. It is an aluminum construction. A lot of the less expensive models tend to be a plastic material of some sort. Various types of plastic, I should say. This is an all metal construction, so I think that's great. And at the price point, that's pretty amazing. Has HDMI and SDI, which is fantastic. I think the recording on the Pro model, it really just, it has 4 levels or 3 levels for recording. It's all H.264 with the highest record rate, I think, is 25 megabits. I think it's great as a safety recorder. It's not going to replace the Atomos and some of the other tear decks and things that are going to record ProRes RAW, those kind of things. But it's a great, inexpensive solution for the general filmmaker. So I'm glad to see it.